Buckle up, babes. Mercury, the Sun, and Uranus all in Gemini. Oh yeah. This is... Now, luckily, I did sleep last night. I could have slept more. However, this is a very fast-moving energy that is going to be happening for the next month. I am very pleased that the sun burst out of Taurus finally. Yesterday I was really heavy and felt like I couldn't move. And first of all, there was a lot of water with the moon. The moon was in Cancer conjunct Jupiter, so that was an enormous emotion, feeling, plus mixed in with the sun being at the final degree of Taurus. And now, I can't open my eyes. And now I am very welcoming of the whole weather system here has changed. It is much cooler. It is not heavy. It is much cooler. There's a little breeze. And I'm inviting myself to ride the wave of air and be able to, and invite myself to know that I have more access to the supercomputer of my brain for this month with all of the Gemini energy. That for me, I don't have any placements in Gemini, so I'm like, let's go.